Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday directions video. Today we are just reviewing. Tomorrow's our quiz on the New Republic era, so today is just review day, so go through your notes. If you want to, all the assignments are down here, so all the reading guides. I know people read through them again, or at least skim them again, just to kind of get yourself familiar with some of the topics that we talked about early on. So don't feel like you need to like you're too good to go back and kind of look through and read through some of these things, or at least skim some of it to actually get an idea of what's going to be on the quiz. So you have all of our assignments down there. And then obviously I have set up a review flashcards for you guys to kind of help you out, kind of push you in the right direction, let you know what you should be studying, what things you can expect to see on the quiz. There's some stuff that didn't make it onto the flashcards, so the flashcards won't cover the entirety of the quiz. But it'll give you a good idea, and it's a good starting point. You got YouTube videos out there, but the big thing is just going through your notebook, organizing it, knowing where everything is, because you do get to use your notebook on the quiz. So hopefully you guys took good notes. Hopefully you guys jotted down some of the key stuff that we've been talking about, especially the essential questions, so that you'll be ready to go for the quiz tomorrow. So tomorrow when you guys come on, I'm off tomorrow. I have a sub, so the quiz will be online. Okay, it'll be live. You can take it. You got one chance. Once you click submit, you'll get your score back immediately, so you'll know where you sit heading into Easter break. The quizzes won't be entered into the scorebook until Tuesday, though. Same with all missing assignments. Again, I'm not here tomorrow, so missing assignments won't be graded today. So you have to kind of wait till next Friday for the missing assignments to get put in. I'm trying to think of anything else. Yeah, that should basically cover it. Tomorrow, just a review, or just a quiz, I should say. Once you're done with the quiz, that's it. Use the rest of the time that we have to get late work in, if you're someone that needs it. I know it's not going to go in the scorebook until Friday, but at least try to get it in and submit it. I'll be kind of organizing it this weekend, putting them in my grading folder, so I know to do that next week. But that's it. Reviewing today, getting ready to go for the quiz tomorrow. Quiz tomorrow, 26 questions, multiple choice, 52 points total. Each question's worth 2. All right. That's it. The quiz will go live. You'll be able to see it online. Once it goes live, you'll be ready to go. I think I'm gonna set it for the quiz will go live at the start of each hour. So if you're someone that gets on early in the day, like let's say you're a 6-hour student, but you do your social studies at like 8 a.m. at your house, don't do that. Make sure you're checking in at normal times. Okay, so fifth hour, about 12:20 will be when your quiz will probably be live. 6th hour will be about 1:15, maybe 1:20 when things go live, and then 7th hour will be around 2:10 to 2:15. The quiz will be live. So quizzes are due by 3. If you don't take it tomorrow, it's automatically late and it's already deducted down to 70%. So make sure you're doing your stuff and make sure you're getting it done on time. Quiz tomorrow, due at 3 o'clock at the end of the day. It'll be live during your normal time slot. All right, that's all I got, guys. Good luck studying. Good luck reviewing today. If you have any last questions, shoot me an email. Again, I won't be in class tomorrow, so I won't be able to help you guys out at that aspect. But anyways, have a good one. Talk to you guys later.